Hey everyone, my name is Katrina, and today I want to show you how to make these cute ponytail holders. St. Patrick's Day is upon us, so I offer you to make this fantasy 4-leaf clover for luck and to keep your princess pinch proof. To make one petal, we need 1 inch wide by 4.5 inches long piece of ribbon. Start by folding it in half and making a crease to mark the center. Fold both ends down. Cut off the tip and heat seal it. This is what you should get. With this side facing you, fold one of the edges in half and heat seal. Repeat this step with the second edge. Finish folding the petal like shown in the video. Grab your needle and thread and stitch the bottom of your petal. Now, let's make one more petal together, and the other two you can make on your own. I decorated my flower with pleated ribbon, and now I will show you how. Since pot of gold is one of the symbols of St. Patrick's Day, I picked this gold foil 7/8 inch ribbon for the trim. Also, I'm going to use this template designed specifically to make pleated ribbon. This particular one makes 3/8 of an inch wide pleats. You will need 2 small binder clips to hold the ribbon on the template, needle and thread to secure your pleats. If you happen to have one, take it with the snap stop facing you. Place your ribbon about 5 mm above the edge of the template. This is where we will be stitching the ribbon. Wrap the ribbon over the first tooth and pinch it with binder clip. Now pull the first tooth and bring ribbon to the back. Wrap the second tooth and bring ribbon to the front. Keep going until you have the desired amount of pleats. For this project, I only need 7, but other projects might require 12, 24, or even more. Would you be interested in a pleated flower tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below this video. Now take your needle and thread and pay very close attention because wrong stitching can make a very big difference in this case. You want to make sure that your thread goes between 2 pleats, just like in the video. After all the pleats are stitched, take them off the template, cut off extra ribbon, and secure the thread. No need to pull it. As you can see, the ribbon shapes very good on its own. To assemble our ponytail holder, you will need to attach the felt circle to it. To learn how to do it, click on the card you should see on the screen right now or find the link in the description box. Oh, and don't forget about the bling for the center. I'm going to fill the hole in the center with felt. That way my bling button will have more surface to be glued to. I have also attached a small piece of felt to the back of my button. This way it's definitely not going anywhere, even if you're using hot glue. At this point, I would recommend to shape your flower and spray it with stiffener or hairspray to help it stay beautiful for a long time. That is all for today. Click like and share. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.